Hey guys, Andy here. Welcome to part 2 of my Railroad Rendezvous vlog at the guide. So, let's do this. Come back. Let's bring Mom. Alright, time to do a tracking shot. There's diesel here. It's an SP. Still shocked for that. Look at this, like a hot I'm such a sour kid. Here we go, guys.
Thank you for visiting this athletic museum. Just a reminder, this is the last call if you're interested in purchasing a scratch block for the iron pour. This is the last call for scratch blocks for the iron pour. Please see the front desk for more details.
Stopped.
See the choo-choo? Oh.
Getting some good shots of this one.
Oh yeah.
Getting some good shots of this.
Let's sit down. Yes, we're doing crap.
Street lamps. That works. Got the bell loader too. Look at this. Seatbelt loader.
What do you see, Lana?
What?
Oh, look, you're making a move. Do you see that?
The barrel with little loader. Look at this. We got a tank there, guys. We got. Lights out. That works.
I'm taking a picture of you. Just wait. Look at me.
Oh, shit. Huh? Oh, Greg's on the fast one going. Highballing. Alright, take a this shot. Check it. Get a good shot of this. It's gotta slow down because it's not safe to go bridge fast. Alright, now it comes again. I went my thumb somewhere. My bad, guys. My bad. Alright, now here comes the diesel now. This time I get a track shot. Oh my camera with this. Alright, and what's going on right now? Oh well, yeah, the season is rocking right there. This town right here. Got a couple gas stations, a flat of Mountain Bailey. This is awesome. And look at this, guys. Here comes the 2882 going through now. Alright, now I got the SP. Alright, let's do a tracking shot of this. Alright, time to do a tracking shot. Alright, time to do a tracking shot of this. And here comes the 2882. Going too fast, look at that. So far, so good. It's going off without a hitch. Just picking up hitches. Alright, got it. Get a good shot of the train passing through. This is something, see, like these kind of things are things that you can build, right? These guys, Chateau Martin, look at that. Locomotive beer.
There's two of them.
Look at this. Mostly due to beer and whatnot. Look at beer cars.
There is a tank at the end.
Yep.
Look how long the train is.
It's pretty long, alright. Western Food Express, and there's a tank. They call it the beer train for all these reasons. Ooh, that's some good train action. What? Oh, what we got here? What we got? Franklin set right there.
Look, it's coming. And you have to sit in.
Alright, so let's do one or two of the way up. Significantly. U.S. Post Office, supermarket. This is awesome. Look at that. Oh, look at that. HD too. Oh boy, we got another battle animal. I'm gonna go look around. Oh boy. Alright, now we're moving again. We got Country Club Special, nothing better brew. Look at that Kirk Cream. Oh, we got a bit of a situation here. What the hell is Hot Wheels? Look at that. Sponsored by Hot Wheels. Alright, now let's continue on with the template things. Alright, that was that. I might continue for about another hour or so. This is me part 2. This is already part 2. So I think in this part, post more perspectives. set. Circus thing too, the signature. So, street smarts, look at that. Comes James.
Take one more look at the door. Look at the next one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this one, yep. Two Amplified. Got two of them. Let's just open both hand cars. It's fun. That. That's the six. It's awesome stuff, man. Some stuff. There's gonna be I'll get out too. Alright. Let's see. This is the diesel locomotive. That's the generator right there. Queen fence on top. Oh. Oh! I know that sound.
Hurry.
Oh. Train's coming through. Train's coming. Oh no, train's coming. Train's going through. Just in time. Still going. I don't care. As soon as I get my credit for the day. Oh, well, there it is, guys. There's the end of the train. Too bad I couldn't get a shot of the engine, but it's getting so quick I couldn't even catch it. Well, that was amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I caught it.
Caught it. Good for you.
Yeah. Oh, phew. All right, let's get back to it. Well, that was surprising. Oh, what? Hit my leg. So I got some dirt. Phew. Whoa. Worth it.
I wouldn't even be out in there.
Oh, it's worth it, guys. It was worth it. It was worth it to get in the hot in the Georgia heat. Well, was it worth it? Definitely it was. We've got sticking my armband here. Stuff that back in. Our selection to our kids, am I right, people? Entire kids these days. Luckily, learn the values of patience. It's couple. Mercy Boxcar, St. Georgia, 1949. Yep. Proper beams. One big boxcar. It's from this after the war. Especially this one. And we go on camera on.
Wait, the mission! I'm doing the mission! I'm doing that one!
Down the board, General, guys. Let's get on out of here.
This is what I was talking about.
Let us board the General. Alright, let's board the General here, guys. Fellow fans and YouTubers, let's do this. Now, the moment we've been waiting for. Here.
Not that, I mean, for you, so it's
There's guys, the jump. Number 3. 440. Might film some more of this later. Who's up there? There's Buster Keaton, the general. Nice locomotive. Look at this, people. Look at the smokestack up there.
This is the first time I've worked with you? So I'll kind of talk a little bit. I've heard a little bit about the kid there. Johnson Bars right here is actually there's some of this.
Supposed to hot up where you are too. My sister just wrote me a note and said that my sister's this weekend heat index is only 110. It's a good day to stay inside. How much snow? Well, they know how you got here. Back the same way.
So basically, before that,
We always tell you all.
Johnson Bars.
You can go back the same way you came.
Not the best system, so they said, no, you can't really do that in 60. Then there's
How you doing?
Hi.
Enjoying the train show so far?
Yep. Are you?
Yeah, I'm a train enthusiast.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
He used to be a fireman on the L&N Railroad.
Well, L&N, huh? Louisville, Nashville?
He's based in Montgomery.
Wow, nice. You used to be a fireman.
Yeah.
very nice along there for airflow.
Look at this. This is made by real American workers.
160 years ago, they had to know math, they had to know how much weight the metals could take.
You mean in
They
a
had to measure everything. That track couldn't be different from one place to another, or the train would go boom.
Yeah, it can derail. It depends on the size of the track.
the train goes boom,
It would be an epic fail.
Yeah, a derailment.
we fall apart when we go from that.
It could fall apart if the accident was
The rail.
a bit
So
bad.
it's the same from place to place. You can't take an American train and drop it in Europe because the gauge is different.
Yeah, exactly. The gauge difference.
They can't go to another country.
But that's the kind of thing you have to learn. Look at all of these parts have to be maintained. You can't just start dropping them on the tracks.
Yep.
You've got
If it goes too fast, it could derail on a sharp curve.
You've got multiple braking systems. They can't take a chance of one of them not
Failing. Yeah. If one fails, that's it.
You got to know how much thrust you can get out of a big tank like that if you're talking about a steam engine. You got to know what a diesel can do. All these things have to be in your noggin. That's hard work. You can do it. You're smart. Understand that it's going to take you years.
Yeah.
This kind of train was built pre-Civil War. Pre-Civil War.
Yeah, pre-Civil War, like the
Because
1850s,
the general had its chase in the Civil War.
and in the Civil War. I'm from Tonner Hill, right down to Kennesaw, by the old Western Atlantic Railroad, I think. WARR, Western Atlantic.
No, honey, it was in the this is the 1860s.
It's like during the Civil War. Yep. Not the 1920s,
It's a
but
totally different railroad.
the 1860s.
Those were starting to be diesels.
Yeah, diesels were about 40s, maybe 50s. Because like
And
different.
in China, the train track is different.
Yeah. Yeah, train engines are different. Mostly like a diesel and electric locomotive. Trust me, I'm a train buff. Yep, I'm a train buff.
Every day. And they were making them in Ohio.
Come around the side.
Yeah, but American trains do like yeah, mostly on long distance trains, like the Crescent, for example.
I want the Hitchcock trains with the big old
We have
cabins.
another.
Yeah, the old cabins, but nowadays we got like amphibious cars.
You get a bunk.
Yeah,
Chinese trains, you can't even turn on your side. You're in a slat.
Yeah, it's kind of like you're cramped almost. Yeah, same thing with the Japanese bullet trains. You're cramped inside and you can't do nothing about
The
it.
first class is okay in China. The first class 4 people in one cabin.
One cabin.
Yeah.
And then there's
I want our own cabin.
They don't have that so far. So
yeah, but
That's what I
I hope someday Amtrak has separate cabins, because yeah, for me, I wasn't in the sleeping compartment. I was in coach, and those seats can be hard. Yeah. Yeah, I think coach seats on Amtrak are much more cheaper and easier to book at the last minute because they're in the summer months.
Try to go cross country.
this is second class in China. Three levels.
That's
First
second.
class 2. First class is top and bottom. This is second class.
Top and bottom bunk, huh?
They also help if it's raining.
Middle, top and bottom. 3 levels.
It's like a sandwich almost.
Yeah, he liked to cook.
Yeah.
I don't know, we never tried.
Yeah, Russia is like much more different. Yeah, most of the locomotives are built on mostly locomotives are built on the Soviet era, like from the 40s to the 90s.
You mean a Russian railroad?
Yeah, most of them were state controlled.
They're old.
Those are built during
You see gaps between 2 cars.
built during Soviet times. Cheaply made.
You mean a couple up to another car?
Yeah, between 2 cars.
Yeah, it's like a
Wait,
articulation, I think. Like a 2 cars, 1 truck articulation. Yeah, Russia has mostly electric trains these days. Yeah.
Slower speed. This one's 120 kilometers per hour.
It's about 62 miles per hour according to my knowledge.
120 kilometers, 80,
No.
maybe 70 miles.
Yeah, but 100 is about 62.
60 plus 60.
Yeah, 60.
I think 140. Some people 140 kilometers. There's a slow one.
Yeah. Yeah, on the bullet.
Hey Pete, let's make sure it sticks to the same group of people, even if it's only like 2, because it's going to get too crowded up here.
Yeah.
It's getting way too crowded every time you send up like 4 or 5.
It's
So
a
try
good,
to keep it
it's a
down to
good
like 3
thing.
or 4.
It's a good thing I came early.
I know. Does he need more ticket to buy extra ticket for this?
No.
Do we need an extra ticket for this? Do we pay extra ticket for this?
Yeah, I got my ticket. Plus, I got
You got a ticket?
plus I got my wristband too. It's in my wallet.
Okay, you got a wristband?
Yeah, I got a wristband, my ticket, my wallet.
Okay.
So, yeah.
You can go. Let's see.
You too? Go? Yep.
Yeah, I can go. I can wait.
You go.
You go.
And I got all day, so
we're going to.
You can
Honey, stay in line. Stay in line.
later you can go.
I got all day. So
You're here all day?
no, I got about an hour here. I ain't gonna go nowhere. I'm not gonna go nowhere.
You're not going anywhere.
Yep.
Neither am I.
Yeah. Don't worry, I got an hour.
That's all right. Where y'all from?
Yeah, my daughter lives around here.
Yeah, Coffee County.
92?
Big engine.
And I've actually watched the Great Locomotive chase on.
Yeah, my dad's a Civil War fan. I'm a bit of a Civil War fan myself.
Hey, did you see the G-scale trains up there that you pushed?
Yeah, the whole thing. Yeah.
How many G?
And don't worry.
There's no telling how much wood they burned.
I think a lot of wood. I think this. Yeah, I think this was. And this was like before the coal-powered steam engines came into existence. Yeah, I think the 1920s were about like steam to electric and electric to diesel power.
Oh, so 67.
Yeah, I think steam locomotives were like more expensive to operate. Same thing with diesels, like yeah, more efficient, less cheaper to operate. Yeah, trust me, I know what I'm talking about. I'm a rail fan slash train buff. So is my dad. So.
And did you see the big layout?
Yeah, the S-Gates layout.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen that. Yeah, I got a lot of footage too.
And there was a giant. There was it was straight line.
Yeah, straight line and curves and yeah, mostly American Flyer. I think American Flyer is owned by Line nowadays because I think the legacy system, yeah, operates American Flyer trains, modern ones.
Run that organization.
Same thing with the TMCC, command control, yeah.
And I even have what do I have? Oh, I have some line trains.
Yeah. Yeah, I used to have a Red Run train set, Santa Fe Flyer. I was like 4 at the time when I got it. Yeah, for me, I think the one thing that scared me was about the train sounds on them, like the chuffing and the whistle. Yeah, since then, I never owned a line on trains since then.
Whistle's pretty loud from the 4501.
On 4501, the Southern locomotive.
Yeah.
Yeah, once you get, yeah, I've seen number 630, and I think yeah, I went to Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum once.
That's what's in the shirt.
4501. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a train fan all my life when I was little.
I think the Mac, when we go in November, is it the 4501 and the 630 pulling?
Yeah, I think in June. I think last June I seen 60-0. Yeah.
They do it both in June and then in November.
Yeah, I got to see those two. Yeah. Yeah, nowadays they got diesels. They're pretty loud too, especially the horn.
We don't live far from Chattanooga, so he's ridden from Tennessee to Railroad several times.
Yeah, I've been there once before, and that was that. Since then, never been to Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum again.
Pretty neat place.
Yeah, it was like summer vacation. I was 18, I think. I just graduated. Yeah, I graduated high school.
Hey, did you see the Y6B on S scale?
What's up?
The Y6B?
The what? Oh, the 26 Yeah. Yeah, it's going pretty fast too. Yeah.
And,
I've seen that, and it was kind of fun to watch. Yeah, it's real wood. Yep. Yeah, people, it's real wood. Who knew?
I think they could have burned like maybe 100 gallons of water.
Yeah, but with that size of wood and the boiler pressure, I'd say I think you're good in between like fuel stops. Yeah, it's like
No, I'm actually, I graduated years ago. I'm actually the archivist here.
yeah, it's in between fuel stops.
Yep, it is.
Yeah, nowadays you got diesel locomotives. Yeah, I've seen the GE Genesis locomotive.
We switching off? Yeah, you ready? All right.
If you look at this one from the other,
Yeah, diesel seems pretty fast. Like railroad speed's about 90. That's the speed limit.
yeah. If you look at these trains,
Yeah.
and
Maybe y'all can go next. The three of y'all can go together.
Yeah. Besides, I'm still recording.
You're still recording?
I got a lot of storage, so yeah, I'll be fine.
Above the grass.
All right, who's next?
Well, after it wiped it all out.
Yeah, it's us three guys.
Now you're way down almost in the water, and then you come to the bridge. You go up over the bridge, and then you come back down again. And the bridges stay.
I got my wristband.
Oh, you hold on. That's okay.
It's fine.
One.
Yeah, I'm still recording. Yep, I'm recording this. You can be up on, you can be up on YouTube later today. All right. You'll be famous. All right. So here we are, guys, in the cab of the Gen. This is real wood, no doubt.
Yeah.
All right, so talk us through it.
All right, you guys get up here. All right, now first we don't want to touch anything. I know it looks very neat and impressive. You're welcome to step up here on the rug.
Yeah.
Just don't try to put your hands on anything. We don't want to damage anything.
There's the throttle, the reverser.
You got it all.
Wait,
Yeah.
can we sit on
And-
it?
No, good question. Do not sit on these chairs here.
There's the firebox.
Yeah, this locomotive, the General, was built in 1855,
Just before the Civil War.
before the Civil War, so it's very old.
Yeah.
Don't want to damage anything.
160, 165, that area.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that.
I'm not good at math, but yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah. It's,
You mentioned the seats here. This is where the engineer would sit here on the right.
and the fireman sits on the left.
There you go, they're firemen. You guys know what the fireman did?
He put the wood into the firebox.
Right.
Yeah.
This
Put
area
the wood
here,
in the
That's real wood right there, right?
that's actual real wood. This is called the tender
That's-
of the locomotive. That holds all the wood. Originally, the General ran on wood. I can open this up for you. You can peek in here if you
There's the
like.
firebox. I gotta get it good.
There's the firebox. Can you see down in there?
There it is, guys. There's the firebox.
That's where the wood would go.
It's a tunnel in there.
Yeah, you see it's like all brick lined. It looks like a
Yeah.
chimney sort of.
Yeah, it's almost like a chimney,
Right,
almost.
exactly.
That's like the oven, I think, of the engine.
Exactly.
It's like
Wood.
an elevator.
Yeah.
The wood burns in there. There's a giant boiler full of water. It boils the water,
How-
creates steam. Steam
How
makes
they
the
put
pistons
bricks
go.
in there?
Well, what bricks?
How they put the bricks? Oh, that's how they build it. That's how they originally were built.
Yeah, nowadays coal burns like more quicker. Like,
Yeah, exactly. Actually, this was converted to coal at one time.
Yeah.
Because you can get a lot further. with,
Yeah, further
less.
in between fuel stops.
Right.
Yeah.
This wood here would get you about
But
40 miles or so. You have to load up for more wood.
yeah,
So-
unless you go slow.
right.
Yeah.
The General could go about 55 miles per hour
Yeah.
if you really got it going.
Yeah.
But, typically it ran about 15, maybe 20 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Maybe if you just threw a bunch of wood in there.
Yeah, if you keep burning it hot enough, you could do it, but it might not be able to handle it.
Yeah, it couldn't handle the immense pressure.
Yeah. It basically took about a whole day to get from Atlanta to Chattanooga.
Yeah,
when
unless
this
you
was
go
a
about,
passenger rail.
about 15, 20 miles per hour. Yeah.
Right. So it takes you a while.
Yeah, it takes forever.
But that was the fastest way to travel back then.
Like how many hours to build?
To build it? To build the whole thing?
Yes.
Probably took, they cranked out a bunch of these back in the 1850s. This was actually built in New Jersey. They made about 25,000 or so of these type of locomotives.
That's a long time
So it probably
ago.
took a year or so. It was a lot of work. A lot of craftsmanship went into building this.
And I know,
Wait, the
and I know where the railroad is that the train ran on.
What's? Say it again.
I know the railroad that this
Oh, do you?
train ran
Western
on.
Atlantic.
What was it?
Western Atlantic.
You got it. Yeah, the Western Atlantic.
Yeah, WARR.
There you go.
And I can't remember, but I went on train ride, and it's at the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum.
Okay. Yeah. Up there in Chattanooga.
Yeah,
The station.
I've been.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I've been there once.
Okay. Yeah. It's
Yeah,
very
we went on
nice.
6:30. I think it wasn't a cab ride.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I got a cab ride, it'll be sweet for me.
Oh, okay.
Shoveling coal and whatnot.
Yeah. They don't let you do that?
No, I did.
You gotta ask. Maybe they'll let you.
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
You guys,
They have professionals doing that.
you guys be hot, you know. It'll be,
Yeah, no, very high. Good
Yeah.
point. If we were up here working and this thing was actually running,
Yeah,
you'd be sweating.
You'd be sweat exactly.
Not a
Not
pleasant spot.
Wasn't pleasant.
No air conditioning.
Yeah, soot's on your face.
Yeah, covered in soot.
I wouldn't care. I'd just go.
Wait, you mean black spot on your face?
That's soot.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
There'd be smoke blowing back.
Yep, soot.
You get
Soot.
the soot all
Smoke
over
in
you.
your eyes. That would hurt.
Yeah.
Oh, that
Smell bad. A lot of
that's
Yeah,
not
boy.
good.
smell like smoke.
Yeah, it smells like smoking soot and burning wood too.
Yeah, exactly. So.
Yeah.
There's a whole bunch of copper tubes in here.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, a lot of this was from the restoration. Now, a lot of these tubes and these gauges you see here wouldn't have been here originally. When it was restored in the early 1960s, they actually converted it to diesel, so it ran on oil.
Yeah,
And so a lot of these things were added. These
Yeah, it's-
pressure
yeah.
gauges and
Yeah, it
things.
ran on fuel oil, I think.
Right.
Yeah, cap forward, use fuel because of the boiler and the bag and the tender.
Mm-hmm.
The daylight too.
Yeah, somehow they stored the fuel underneath here. If you guys go up on top, you can look down and see there's a little opening where the water would go.
Yeah,
into
the
where they'd store
yeah,
the water.
yeah.
And sort of somehow they converted that, so that's where you would
Yep.
store the diesel.
Right.
The smoke can make the black spot on your face.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's a dirty jump. For sure.
Yeah. Nowadays we got diesels to do that.
Yeah, it
Far
wouldn't be as bad.
Yeah, far cry from the Sukkot conditions, no doubt.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Much
Yeah, diesel.
quicker.
Yeah, dieselization.
And diesels have more crashes than Steamies.
Right.
Yeah.
Probably because it's either truck on the tracks, but Steamies don't.
We're going past a sharp curve.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if you go too fast, that's it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
I have
Yeah,
a question. Why they have
Yeah,
a
go ahead.
clock?
Right.
Why's what?
They have a clock.
Oh, those are actually gauges. Those are some of the steam
Yeah,
gauges that I
gauges.
mentioned. You gotta keep track of the pressure in the
Yeah.
boiler. You don't want it too much pressure.
Yeah.
So you keep an eye on it there.
Too much or too little.
Right.
Yeah.
Too much,
This is the Johnson bar
you
here.
will blow up.
Yeah. It'll probably blow.
Yeah, you could. It could
It
completely
could.
blow up.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Wait, can they easy to survive?
Yeah. If you like ease the throttle a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. On steam engines, they're like 0 to no brakes, but.
Yeah, originally the General wouldn't have any brakes at all. There's
yeah.
air brakes. These little knobs here, the little silver ones.
Yeah.
Those are air brakes that were added again when they restored it.
Yeah. Only the reverser and.
Yeah, this is the Johnson bar. You can throw that and it
Yeah.
kicks it into reverse.
Yeah, and
And the throttle there, you control the speed.
yeah. Plus, if you go in reverse, it can cause like wheel slip.
What?
Have you seen enough?
You guys
Yes.
saw the little dome up there? There's the sand dome. That was the only way to brake back then.
Yeah,
It would
sand.
release sand on the
All right.
track. And then
Yes,
release
I'm done
the
here.
All right. Well, thank you all for visiting.
All right.
Head on back down. Watch your step there.
That's done.
And then
You guys have it? There, guys. Peace out.